So I'm going to try a couple of things here to see whether or not I get this any better. So I've taken a homework question, Vt equals 2 sine omega t plus 4 cos omega t, and I had asked you to convert that to polar form, so that we had Vt equals r sine omega t plus alpha. How did I do that? Well, first you just equate those two, so this one and this one together, so I get r sine omega t plus alpha equals 2 sine omega t plus 4 cos omega t. Then I looked at the trig idents, and the ident that I found most suitable was sine a plus b equals sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. And all I really need to do was to equate those, so I end up with 2 sine omega t plus 4 cos omega t equals, so what I've done is I've taken that one because I said that equals that, and that equals r sine omega t cos alpha plus r cos omega t sine alpha. Not that alpha, that alpha. Equating both those sides, so I'm going to take that and equate it to that, and I'm going to take this one and equate it to that and write it a bit more clearer. Write them down. So the first one, do that one in green, so I should now have 2 sine omega t equals, we're going over here, r sine omega t cos alpha. Coming back to this one here, I've got 4 cos omega t equals, and we're doing this one here, r cos omega t sine alpha. That's what the bit in the end there says. So now my plan is to take this first equation and divide it by sine omega t, which cancels out all the sine omega t's in there, and that will equate to 2 equals r cos alpha. Call that equation 1. And this one here, I'll do exactly the same, but I will cancel out the cos omega t's by dividing by cos omega t, so I get 4 equates to 4 equals r sine alpha, and I'm going to call that equation 2. When I was looking at the trig idents sheet, I see that tan theta equals sine theta divided by cos theta, and there's my sine theta, there's my cos theta, so I can say that tan 4 over 2 equals r sine alpha over r cos alpha, and r cancel, giving me the simple equation that tan to the minus 1 of 2, and I've got that 2 from dividing 4 divided by 2, equals 63.435 degrees. Now, if I take that answer, I plug it into equation 1, I get 2 equals r cos 63.435 degrees, and what I'm looking for here is I am looking to find an answer for r. So with a quick transposition, I get r equals 2 over cos, we'll just put alpha, but that's alpha there, which equals 4.472. If I now plug all that into this equation at the top, which I was asking you to do, I now know what r is, and I now know what alpha is. So I can now say that Vt equals r, which is 4.472, 4.472 sine omega t plus 63.43, oops,